Okay guys, so this is daily cipher month goal for today, 11 July 2024. So the first step you need to keep the code for today is the daily cipher mode by clicking the button at top of the interface, which is spelled daily cipher. Okay, so let's move to the second step, which is the international Morse code, which can be downloaded in Google. As you can see, the letters and numbers are represented in dashes. If you are a beginner here, if you want to put a dot is for a tap, if you want a dash is to hold the screen. Okay, so the international Morse code for today, the daily cipher Morse code for today is whale, which is spelled WHALE. So let's move to international Morse code and look for W, which is dot dash dash dot. Okay, dot dash dash. So look for H, four dots, which is dot 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 dot. Okay, I made a mistake, so let's start over again. W is dot dash dash. Remember, if you make a mistake, everything will clear, so be very careful. So for H is four dot 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 dot, four dots. So A is dot and dash. Okay, let's start over. Dot dash dash H dot 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 dot. A dot and dash. So for L, which is dot dash dot 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 dash dot 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 dash dot dot. Okay, seems to be a problem here, so let's start over to from A, which is dot and a dash. L is now dot dash dot dot L. So last word for today is E, dot. As you can see, we have gotten the daily cipher Morse code for today for our prize, which is 1 million tokens. So subscribe and like this video for more videos, because soon I'll be bringing the daily combo cards for today. So stay tuned.